All right, so let's go ahead and do our lesson or moral story for today. So we're going to read and determine what lesson did they need to learn. What lesson can I learn? So it's going to be worded as if everyone can learn from it. Okay, so it's going to be worded as if always tell the truth, or never trust those you don't know. So stuff like that. It's going to be worded as if I could learn it as well. So we are going to read the Blue Coyote. We will determine or identify the most important events in the story, because that's going to help us find the lesson. So, the Blue Coyote. Long ago, there lived a hungry coyote. One day, he found a juicy bone. He grabbed it and ran away. When he jumped over a fence, he landed in a big tub filled with blue ink. Now his fur was bright blue. The coyote went to the forest. The animals had never seen such a strange blue creature. They were scared and ran away. The sneaky coyote thought of a plan to make the animals give him all the food he wanted. He told the animals he was their new king. They believed him. They also brought him all the food he wanted. One night, he heard coyotes howling at the moon. He could not help himself. He started howling too. When the other animals heard him, they knew he was really just another coyote. They were angry at being tricked. They chased the blue coyote right out of the woods. So, first thing we're going to do before identifying the story events is we're going to underline words or sentences that tell why the animals become angry at the blue coyote. So down here, I know that it talked about they were really angry at being tricked. Okay, so what they did was they chased the blue coyote right out of the woods. So we know that the animals did not like to be tricked. Okay, so let's go ahead and start filling these out, and I'm going to do one with you, and I ask that you do the rest on your own. So answer the questions in the chart to tell about the most important events in the story. So first, how does the blue coyote become blue? And I'm going to use my text box. So if we're still writing, if you just click this text box, it's so much easier to just type your answer in rather than writing it in. So click my text box, and I'm going to restate the question. Okay, so it says, how does the blue coyote become blue? I'm going to say, restate by saying the blue coyote becomes blue when he fell into a big tub of blue ink. So I gave you more details, and I made the sentence a lot stronger by restating the question. Okay, I could have just said he fell into a tub of ink, but instead I restated by saying the blue coyote becomes blue when. Okay.
Hi, students. I just wanted to let you know that the dojo celebration will be on Monday. For those of you that earn the popcorn, we normally have it on Friday, but since we're not here on Friday, we will have it on Monday. So work extra hard on your behavior today to get a lot of positive dojo points, so your percentage will go up, so you can enjoy that special treat on Monday. A reminder, we do not have school Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let's finish off this last day being respectful, responsible, and safe, and earning as many positive dojos as you can. Have a great day.
All right. So the next one says, why do the animals bring the blue coyote food? So I'm just going to restate the question just so you can see what it should look like, and then you guys can go ahead and answer it. But I restated by saying the animals bring the coyote food because why? So you just tell me, and then go ahead and restate and answer the last one as well. Okay? So then we get down our turn and talk. What happens after the animals hear the blue coyote howling? Talk about your answer with your partner, and I will post that in Schoology. And then lastly, what lesson do you think the blue coyote learns? Write about an event from the story to explain your answer. So we restate by saying the coyote learns the lesson of what? What did he learn? And then in the text, it says, prove that to me. What happens because he did this? Okay, what was the negative effect